Hello everyone. Good day, good afternoon, good evening to everyone around the world or in the platform. So this is Kiran Payne, and I am one of the UDJ leaders as well. So right now what I want to do is I want to show everyone, especially those who just joined, how to get to their 7-day course. But this is mostly for those who want to become part of the UDJ community, who want to become part of doing the greater good in the community, in their communities and in other communities. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to go to the app right now. Okay, I'm just going to go to the app right now and go UDJ community. Okay, we're gonna go into the app and I'm just gonna log in. Just install my details, and once we are in and running, we're gonna go forward. But anyways, yeah, I hope everyone is good. So what we want to do right now, right, if you look on your top right corner, you will find that there's register and log in, right? If you haven't joined the platform yet, what you want to do is you want to press register. Okay, you're gonna press register, and then it will take you straight to, let me just show you real quick. It will take you straight here. You put your username, email, password, repeat password, then you sign up. Okay, and then it will take you to the next steps, right? But then, because now I want to show everyone who has joined the platform how to get to their 7-day course if they want to become a UDJ member, is you're going to log in, right? You're going to log in, and then you're going to put your details, your login details. And then once you are in, everyone, is you will find that it shows like this. Now it shows profile on your top right corner. It's now showing profile and log out. So profile is because you are part of the platform, you can get to your profile that way. But if you want to get to your 7-day course, you want to press the 3 lines at the top right corner below the log out button. Okay, so those 3 lines that you see just on your top right corner, you just press those 3 lines, and then you get all these. And what you want to go, where you want to go, sorry, is you want to go to more features right there. Trust me, it was made easier because now people were getting lost, right, when they were looking for their 7-day course. But we have made it easier so that everyone can go and do that 7-day course and become a UDJ. The moment you take the free membership, you become a UDJ member, you want to take that 7-day course. It is very essential. So you go to more features, and then you'll be given this list as well. You want to go to the first one, 7-day course. You will go there. Now understand this, because I have been doing the course, I've already started the course, it will just tell me to continue. But regardless, what you're going to do, right, those courses that are not done yet, those maybe sections, isn't the section 1 point what, right? What you want to do now is you want to watch each and every video before you can continue. The moment you finish watching the video from start to end, trust me, it is not draining. So right here we got UDJ platform 7-day course. Now because I have started already, it's saying continue. Okay, but for those of you who haven't started, you will go in it, you will watch the video from the start. Okay, you will watch the video from the start. When you're done watching the video, read. Guys, read. Do not be lazy like I was the first time. You know, the first time, I'm gonna be frankly honest, I tried it, né? I was like, let me just watch the video. Then I went straight to the question and answer. So what I did, I went to the questions and whatnot. I started guessing. I'm like, no. Yo, trust me, it never works. It never works. So you need to read. I went back, I read, and I did things the right way, and it has helped me since. So please watch the video, read, and also answer the questions for you to progress. Okay, do not be hard on yourself. Trust me, they are made so you can understand the UBJ and how you can work and tell people about it. Okay, so thank you. That's just how you get. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was really helpful.